It's fall. You know what that means? That means our dog has to wear orange, which makes him look like a pumpkin.
In the heat of a summer night, we kissed and he held me tight. He was beautiful. Oh, he's so beautiful.
So it's the beginning of fall. A couple days from now it'll be October. As you can see behind me, the ferns are starting to change colors a little bit, starting to wilt. When I think of fall, I think of hay rides as a kid and going to pick pumpkins at the pumpkin patch. And so in light of that, speaking about pumpkins, I have a nutty pumpkin pasta recipe that we're going to be making. And before we get to rehydrating this though, we have to get it prepped. So let's head back to the kitchen and get it prepped. We're out here in the Belknap range doing a little bit of fall foliage hiking. It's a nice area, nice and low elevation, so you get a lot of deciduous trees, not so much pine, and it means you get a lot of leaves changing color, so it's really a great spot to come right now. So it's about, let me see, it's very late September. I think October is in a couple days. Being next to a pond, there's a lot of beaver activity out here. Check this one out. I can't imagine being the beaver trying to get this thing down, and then it's just stuck there. And the basic idea here is we're going to be cooking up the pasta, draining it, and then the packet we have, that's going to be used as a sauce. So I'm looking forward to it. Never had a meal quite like this with a thick pumpkin sauce before, at least not out in the woods. So it should be interesting. Okay, so now the pasta is done, drained, ready to go. Accidentally got a few pine needles in there. I'm gonna get the sauce ready. Okay, so now we got our sauce mix ready to go. We want to get our oil in there, followed by a little bit of water. Now we get a little bit more water in there. We get the burner back on, and then get it heated up and boiling a little bit. I do want to make sure this doesn't burn, so I'm going to keep, tending to it, stirring it pretty often. Oh, and I just remembered we have the chicken bouillon in there too. There, see, I can see some of it right here. Let's see if I can get it right there. So that's gotta break down. That's really getting saucy now. Everything's getting hydrated, but I think this is just the beginning stage because the chicken bouillon needs to, get dissolved. So I'm going to add a decent amount more water. I think I got a little bit burnt in the beginning there because I didn't have enough water in. So when you're making this, add more water than I initially added. Make it a big puddle so that you don't get any burning. Okay. I think that's done. That looks good. See, that's a nice thick sauce. So let's get this on the pasta and get to eating. So that's some nice thick sauce there. Just gotta get it folded in so I don't make a mess and have it fall all over the place. One personal size pot of Nutty pumpkin pasta. It got a good nutty flavor. This is different than other meals I've had out in the woods before. I like this. So if you want to make your own version of this, the recipe is on the website, freerangemeals.com. I'll put a link in the description that goes directly to this recipe. And yeah, enjoy. I like doing this thing. Like, I get to try some unique recipes. This is good stuff.
Waiting for the guy.
Huh?
What a recipe is just gross. No, don't do this one. I will not be putting the recipe on the website.
Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together forever. I can be like the tree in the wind, same old roots but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together